Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Today we're going to prepare a very simple meal, which is pilau, and as you can see, my ingredients are right there. However, all the ingredients and their measurements will be on the description box down below. So as you can see, I had soaked my rice prior cooking. So we'll go right ahead into preparing our pilau. So I'll add oil into my sufuria where the meat is and let the meat fry into the oil for around 5 minutes. Yes, so that it can attain the golden brown color that I want for my meat. And the reason why I'm also deep frying my shallow frying rather my meat is it gives it a hard texture. Like there's that texture that it attains. Anyway, moving on swiftly, I'll add my onion, one large red onion, and stir it and leave it for a while. Let's say close to, cover it up please, and give it about 3 minutes. Then you can now add your next ingredient, which will be your garlic and ginger. Please note that the more garlic you add in your pilau, the more ginger you add in your pilau, the not bitter, but it will really have I'm trying to look for a better word that will describe how it will really have not sour, but a chili like, like a chili like taste. So I would prefer, or rather it's advisable for you to have more garlic than ginger. Anyway, so my onions have turned to golden brown, as you can see. This is what is going to bring the brown color, or rather will help me attain the brown color in my pilau. So I've added my pilau masala, stir it for like 3 seconds rather. Not close, but add a lid to my sufuria and let the mixture infuse for maybe 1 minute. Then I will go ahead and add my rice. As you can see, it really has a very golden brown color. Wow. I've added my rice. I'll stir my rice for like 3 seconds. Then I'll leave my rice. This is under low medium heat. I'll leave my rice to simmer for about a minute without adding water or any other ingredient. Then I will now add my broth. You remember the broth that I had boiled my that I attained from boiling my meat. That's what I'm going to add, and I'll add a little bit of water. Then leave it till the rice, till the water and the broth dries up from the rice. And stay tuned to have a look at how my final product will look like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share, like, and comment.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must have...
So here we go. This is how my final product looks like. I love you guys. Bye.